Every composite material is made of two essential components, fiber reinforcement and a matrix. The fiber are the primary load-carrying elements. They provide high strength and stiffness, allowing the composite to withstand mechanical load. The matrix surround the fiber, bind them together, distribute the load between fibers, and protect them from moisture, impact, and environmental damage. A good way to visualize this is by looking at carbon fiber fabric. The black woven material represents the reinforcement, while the resin fills the spaces between the fiber and create a solid and durable structure after curing. Neither the fiber nor the resin can achieve the desirable performance alone. It is their combination that give composite material their unique engineering properties. Now let's understand this concept with familiar engineering example. To better understand composite material, let's compare with them with something we already know, reinforcement concrete. Concrete is very strong in compression but weak in tension. To overcome this limitation, steel reinforcement bars are embedded inside the concrete. The concrete resists compressive load while the steel carries tensile load. Together, they perform much better than either material alone. Composite material follow the same engineering principle. The fabric acts like a steel reinforcement by carrying the applied load, while the resin matrix behaves like the concrete by holding everything together and transferring the load. This simple comparison helps us to understand why combining two different materials create a stronger and more efficient structure.